the damage left behind. Broken dreams and broken places, questions filling up my mind. But you are still the builder, you are still the faithful guy. And where the world sees devastation, you see what can arise. Give me courage for the calling, give me strength to do my part. One stone at a time, one step of faith, one surrendered heart. We'll rebuild the walls, we'll stand when the pressure comes, we'll keep moving forward till the work is done, with a hammer in one hand and faith in the other one. We'll rebuild the walls, we'll rebuild the walls. The voices tried to stop us, fear was knocking at the door. Every step toward restoration met resistance even more. But you were in the middle, giving hope and giving grace. And every stone was testimony to your faithfulness. Give me courage for the calling, give me strength to do my part. One stone at a time, one step of faith, one surrendered heart. We'll keep build the walls, we'll dance when the pressure comes, we'll keep moving forward till the work is done, with a hammer in one hand and faith in the other one. We'll rebuild the walls, we'll rebuild the walls. Nehemiah heard the burden and he answered with a prayer. He led the people forward when they thought no hope was there. The work was met with opposition, but they would not turn away.